Which Panini press is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, OVE&TE Electric Panini Press. The OVE&TE Electric Panini Press caught my eye with its compact design and budget-friendly price of just $17.99. It's a top seller and has over 1,300 reviews with an impressive 4.4-star rating. If you want a quick and easy way to whip up tasty sandwiches without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. This press really shines with its 750-watt fast-heating element, which means you can get hot meals in minutes, ideal for busy mornings. The non-stick plates ensure that your food doesn't stick, making cleanup super simple. Plus, it's small enough for tight spaces. It even stands upright for easy storage. Now some people complained about the size, saying it's too compact for larger sandwiches. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for one or two, this won't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for anyone who values convenience and quick meals. This is perfect for you if you're a student or just starting out in your own kitchen. Skip this one if you're feeding a big family regularly. For its price, it's hard to beat the value you get with this press. Now, if the compact size of the OVE&TE bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, George Foreman 4-Serving Grill. The George Foreman 4-Serving Removable Plate Electric Grill is a bit of a step up at $41.99, and it has a lot to offer with a 4.6-star rating from over 31,800 reviews. If you want a reliable grill that makes cooking for multiple people easy, this is a solid contender. What makes this grill stand out is its advanced non-stick coating, which is 3 times more durable than traditional options and removes the need for butter or oil. With a preheating time that's 35% faster, you can go from plug-in to plate in record time. This is a game changer for those who are always in a rush during meal prep. Plus, the removable plates mean cleanup is a breeze, just toss them in the dishwasher. Some users mention that the size can be cumbersome for smaller kitchens. However, if you regularly cook for a family or enjoy entertaining, I'd say this is worth the space it takes up. This is perfect for you if you often cook for friends or family and want something quick. Skip this one if you're short on space and only cooking for one. For the quality and functionality, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for flexibility. Product number 3, OVE&TE 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker. Next up is the OVE&TE 3-in-1 Electric Sandwich Maker priced at $24.99. With a 3.9-star rating from 6,000 reviews, it's a versatile choice that caught my attention for its multifunctionality. If you want a gadget that can do it all, this is worth considering. The fast heating technology ensures you're not waiting long for your food. It's compact too, making it perfect for small kitchens or taking on trips. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're in a dorm or have limited counter space, this appliance is designed to maximize convenience. Now, some users did mention that it can feel a bit flimsy, especially the locking mechanism. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it with care, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially considering the price and versatility you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-purpose appliance that makes breakfast and snacks easy. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty grill for serious cooking. For its price, it's a really good deal. Now, if the removable plates of the OVE&TE didn't appeal to you, you might want to check out this next option that emphasizes ease of use. Product number 4, Chefman Panini Press. The Chefman Panini Press Grill is priced at $34.95 and boasts a 4.5-star rating with over 8,200 reviews. This one caught my attention for its ability to open 180 degrees, allowing for more cooking flexibility. If you want a grill that can handle anything from sandwiches to burgers, this is a great pick. With a floating hinge design, it adjusts to accommodate any size sandwich. The non-stick plates mean you won't be scraping your food off the grill, which is something everyone can appreciate. This is especially useful for families or anyone who enjoys hosting. Plus, the removable drip tray makes cleanup simple. Here's why this matters for you. If you love grilling but hate the mess, this device takes care of that. Some users reported that the heating can be uneven at times. However, I didn't find it to be a major issue as long as you occasionally rotate your food. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible grill that can handle a variety of foods. Skip this one if you prefer something that's specifically for sandwiches. Considering its versatility, it offers solid value. Now, if the Chefman's uneven heating concerned you, the next product has a unique feature that might just solve that problem. Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Panini Press. Finally, we have the Hamilton Beach Panini Press priced at $49.95. With a 4.6-star rating from 22,700 reviews, this one really impressed me with its cafe-style floating lid. If you enjoy making a variety of sandwiches and want something that can handle thick options, this is worth a look. It's perfect for quesadillas, burgers, and even personal pizzas. The built-in ready light lets you know when it's preheated, which takes about 6 minutes. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who loves to experiment in the kitchen, this press won't let you down. Some users have mentioned that it takes up a bit more space than other models. However, if you're serious about your sandwiches, I think the extra space is worth it for the quality you're getting. This is perfect for you if you love hosting and want to impress your guests with gourmet sandwiches. Skip this one if you have limited counter space and only need a basic press. For the performance and quality, it's a solid investment. And there you have it. Each of these presses has its own unique benefits. So whether you're looking for something compact, versatile, or high-performing, there's definitely an option here for you. So to quickly recap, the OVENTE electric panini press is fantastic for those seeking affordability and compactness, while the George Foreman grill is perfect for larger families. The OVENTE 3-in-1 is versatile, the Chefman offers impressive cooking flexibility, and the Hamilton Beach is great for serious sandwich lovers. You've got a range of choices based on your needs, so pick the one that fits your kitchen and your cooking style.